question 5 was how वैसे हमारे सीए स्टूडेंट्स हैं माशाल्लाह very talented and we believe in this philosophy try never surrender after every exam there is
March and September, June and December. Yes, okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's start our event. And I would like to request the table tennis participants to please coordinate with Mr. Raza outside the auditorium and please go to first floor. First floor.
Table tennis participants. First floor. ये वही जगह जहाँ पे एग्जाम्स होते हैं। तो आज के ना टेबल टेनिस का मैच होता है। All the best to all of you.
I think that once we had a very good rock here, very sparkling trophies waiting for the winner.
So we would like the picture as a participant to please meet Mr. Raza and Mr. Karur waiting for them outside the auditorium. Please, the picture as a participants.
Please come on stage.
Last and certainly not the least from Video Ibrahim Co, Nabeen and Fiza.
Please come on stage. Now, बहुत मुश्किल है और मैंने तो भी अभी क्वेश्चन में आता है मुझको part of it.
Okay.
Rescue round.
Let us explain the rules.
Rules first, yeah.
Each team will be asked by one will be only 30 seconds, and team discussion obviously is allowed. So the question is, which 1950 C Treaty of Paris, D Treaty of Rome? The 30 seconds is starting. They have a wild guess too. B Treaty of Madrid. Final answer? Okay. Let's see. Oh, sorry. That's the wrong answer. The correct answer is Treaty of Rome. Anyways. Brazil B. Let's see. Correct answer. All in applause for the team. Next question. 43. Let's see. What is the largest island in the Mediterranean Sea? A. Corsica, B. Cyprus, C. Andorra, D. Sicily. B. Cyprus, D. Sicily. Okay. Let's see. Correct answer. Wait, I think team 3 is looking a bit better. Let's move on towards team 4. The question is, how many keys does a modern piano have? A 85, B 86, C 87, D 88. Supposedly good musicians. B. Let's see. Sorry, that's the wrong answer. The correct answer is D, 88. Team 5, all set? Here's the question for you. London 2012 Summer Olympics will include how many sports? A, 22, B, 26, C, 30, and D, 34. Time at 26. Let's see. Oh, sorry, that was the wrong answer. The correct answer is B, 26. Okay, it was B, 26. That's the right answer. Please have more round of applause for the team. No, not me. Okay, so we have.
D, NO3.
Let's see the log.
Okay, let's see. Right guess. D, NO3. Doctor guess it.
D.
D, okay, D.
Correct answer. That's what we call
Next, okay, so that's supporting you, team 1. Okay, team 2, question 2. Ready? What was the nationality of Nestor Bio, inventor of the modern ballpoint pen? A. Czechoslovakian, B. Danish, C. Hungarian, and D. Polish. D. Danish. Okay, let's see. B. Danish. Oh,
Sorry, that was the wrong answer. It's C, Hungarian.
C. Hungarian. Okay. Question number 2, E3. Who is credited with inventing the instant camera in 1947? A. George Eastman, B. Robert Kodak, C. Edwin Land, and D. James Cameron. D. Robert Kodak. How can you get that? Okay, D. Robert Kodak.
You must be thinking about the Kodak answer.
Edwin Land. Okay. Next team, team 4, question 2. Approximately how many non-civilian deaths occurred in World War I? A. 1.5 million, B. 3.5 million, C. 6.5 million, or D. 8.5 million. Seconds. It's not your turn, it's not your turn.
It's D, 4. Yeah, 4.
What's the answer?
Don't listen to me.
8.
8.
A 1.5 million. Okay, let's see. A 1.5 million. Ready? Okay, sorry, that was wrong answer.
It's D, 8.5 million.
It was not in C. It was D. 8.5. Okay, 5. Question number 2. Who was the Prime Minister of Pakistan from 18 April 1993 to 6 May 1993? A. Babar Sheikh Baloi, B. Ghulam Mustafa Zatoy, C. Malik Raj Khadir, and D. Muhyiddin Ahmed Qureshi.
हाँ नहीं हाँ क्यों यहाँ लगा मैं 4 इंच पढ़ लूँ
I am still in.
बहुत बैठा है बहुत सब कुछ
30 seconds.
बहुत
Okay?
बहुत सब कुछ
Okay, D. Muhyiddin Ahmed Qureshi. D.
Huh?
Dr. Clear. Muhyiddin Ahmed Qureshi.
चलो ठीक है
Oh, sorry, that was the wrong answer.
It was the wrong question.
It's the tower. I know the
चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट स्टूडेंट एसोसिएशन कासा स्टैंड फॉर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट स्टूडेंट एसोसिएशन, और ये इसके दो एरियाज़ हैं, एक साउथ एक नॉर्थ। तो ये यहाँ जो सिंध और बलूचिस्तान की जो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट स्टूडेंट एसोसिएशन की जो एरिया हम कवर करते हैं वो साउथ है, और मैं उसका मीडिया एंड पीआर सब कमेटी का मेंबर हूँ।
तो कासा का बेसिक एम क्या है?
कासा का बेसिक एम ये है कि टू एक्ट एज लाइजॉन बिटवीन स्टूडेंट्स एंड द इंस्टीट्यूट, एंड स्टूडेंट्स के जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, जो स्टूडेंट्स अपनी कोई भी बात इंस्टीट्यूट तक पहुंचाना चाहते हैं, बेसिकली वी वर्क अंडर साउथ रीजनल कमेटी, उनके साथ काम करते हैं, तो उनसे ही कम्युनिकेट करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स के इश्यूज़।
कितने अरसे से कासा काम कर रही है?
कासा तो जब से आई कैप है तब से कासा है, और कासा हैज़ कम अ लॉन्ग वे इन लास्ट फ्यू ईयर्स, बट यही कहेंगे कि अभी तो और काम करने।
आपका ताल्लुक किस सब से?
मेरा ताल्लुक है, मैं ऑडिट ट्रेनी हूँ रियाज अहमद साकिब गौहर एंड को चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स में।
ठीक, कैसी लाइफ है आपकी?
लाइफ बहुत अच्छी है, और कासा में तो बेसिकली मैं एक तो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हूँ, उसके बाद पब्लिक स्पीकर, तो कासा ने मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी दी कि टू स्पीक इन फ्रंट ऑफ पब्लिक, तो ये एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी दी कासा ने। बाकी सोशल लाइफ बहुत है, सही है।
जीवन टीवी के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? जैसा कि आप जानते ही होंगे कि जीवन
जी हाँ।
टेलीविज़न एक यूथ चैनल है, बेसिकली इसका काम यूथ को प्रमोट करना है।
जी हाँ, G1 इज़ द पाकिस्तान फर्स्ट यूथ चैनल, तो बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं और यूथ के लिए कर रहे हैं। और यूथ को तो इन लाइन करने की ज़रूरत है, जो हम अपने ट्रैक से हट गए हैं उस लाइन पे आने की ज़रूरत है। बिकॉज मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि वी रीड द होली कुरान बट वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड इट मच, बिकॉज वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड अरबिक। हम आलिम होने की डेफिनेशन तक नहीं जानते, मगर किसी को भी जाहिल कहने में 2 मिनट भी नहीं लगाते। तो ये बात यूथ को समझाना बहुत ज़रूरी है।
आप क्या कहते हैं, इस तरह के प्रोग्राम्स होने चाहिए?
बिल्कुल होने चाहिए। और ये ICAP की हिस्ट्री में कासा साउथ ने फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करवाया, तो होने चाहिए। और स्टूडेंट्स ने बहुत अच्छा फीडबैक दिया।
यूथ किस हद तक आप समझते हैं कि प्रेजेंट है अपने काम में?
यूथ बिल्कुल अभी इस वक्त जो है ना, यूथ का मैं आपको बताऊं कि वी बिलीव दैट इस्लाम इज़ द राइटेस्ट रिलीजन फॉर अस, वी बिलीव दैट इस्लाम इज़ द सुपीरियर रिलीजन, बट यूथ, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द यूथ कैन नॉट जस्टिफाई इट इनफ। हम 2 बजे का टाइम देके 2:15 पर पहुंचते हैं। हम अपने पॉलिटिशियंस को गालियां देते हैं, हम किसी मौलवी को देखकर उसे कम नज़र समझते हैं। हम इस मुल्क में रहकर इस मुल्क को छोड़ने की बातें करते हैं। ये सब कौन करता है? ये सब यूथ ही करती है। तो यूथ को अलाइन करने की ज़रूरत है। देयर इज़ अ नीड फॉर अलाइनमेंट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑफ यूथ।
जीवन टीवी की इस काविश को आप कैसे देखते हैं?
बिल्कुल, ये जो जीवन टीवी कर रहा है, ICAP के इस इवेंट को कवर कर रहा है, बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है और इसको हम अप्रिशिएट करते हैं। बिल्कुल फीडबैक एकदम पॉजिटिव देते हैं।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
अच्छी इवेंट है और होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि स्ट्रिक्ट होती है, हमें एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है कि हम
यही कहा जाता है जो भी इनकी बहुत बोरिंग लाइफ है, बहुत बुरे
उस मुताबिक आप क्या समझते हैं?
नहीं, बोरिंग लाइफ तो नहीं होती, लेकिन थोड़ी हेक्टिक लाइफ होती है। तो उसमें थोड़ा सा अगर हम टाइम स्पेयर कर दें और हमारे लिए मतलब इस तरह की इवेंट्स ऑर्गेनाइज की जाएँ तो अच्छी चीज़ है।
अच्छा, मीडिया जो आप चैनल्स वगैरह देख रहे हैं, जीवन टीवी इज अ वॉइस ऑफ यूथ। जीवन टीवी यूथ की मंगे साथ लेके चल रहे हैं। अब जीवन टीवी के आप क्या देखना चाहते हैं, क्या सुनना चाहते हैं, क्या बोलना चाहते हैं? जीवन टीवी फोकस ऑफ यूथ के हवाले से जो भी क्या प्रोग्राम ऐसे दिखाए गए?
मैं यही बोलूँगी कि भाई पॉजिटिव चेंज आना चाहिए, क्योंकि एक ही चीज़ रिपीटेटिव नेचर और हर तरफ डिप्रेशन जो है, हर चैनल ही मतलब डिप्रेशन को ही पोर्ट्रे कर रहा होता है। तो थोड़े से पॉजिटिव एरियाज़ दिखाए जाएँ, थोड़ी सी होप डेवलप की जाए लोगों में, तो ज़्यादा अच्छी चीज़ है। क्योंकि अगर होप होगी तो ऑब्वियसली वी कैन मूव फॉरवर्ड। और यूथ इस मतलब इट इज़ द बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक जो कि चेंज जो है वो लेकर आ सकती है। तो अच्छी चीज़ है और यूथ को बेसिकली आपको मोटिवेट वगैरह करना चाहिए, अच्छी चीज़ है ये।
थैंक यू।
Which company sells the highest number of mobile sets? What is the Sandeep Kumar has right answer. Then he's talking to me. Questions? बिल्कुल सही आंसर। ये तो इसके बाद सभी ने देख लिया था, चॉकलेट आपकी Rashid Rahman Mead. Is that right answer? What's the question? Who is the president of ICAP? Rashid Rahman Bardon, chocolate.
A total of 25 questions will be asked. 10 marks Team 2. Brazil. Is that the right answer? Right answer. Question number 2. Team 3. Team 3 was over. Burj Khalifa. Let's see what's the right answer. It is. So the co-coordinator of MindQuest, he will be deciding who has pressed the buzzer first. Alright. So let's move on to question number 3.
You should allow them to complete the question. At least.
Which is the largest gold producing country in the world? Let's give it to the yes. The US. Let's see. It's China. Buzzer can only be pressed once the question is completed. Alright. Let's move on to question 4. The mountain K2 is also known as Let's see. Godwin Austin is the right answer. Team 2 is on fire. Second. Question number 5. The current British Prime Minister David Cameron belongs to which political party? Sorry, that part won't be accepted because the question was not completed. So, Labour Party. Let's see. Conservative Party. Let's move on towards question number 6. Team 3. Yes. New Amsterdam. Next question, question 7. How many Olympic gold medals have been won by Pakistan? Team 5. Prize in 2012 which was awarded in 1991. Sorry. Let's see.
Okay, let's see.
Kidney. Let's see. Kidney is the right answer. This round is earning points. Now let's see. Anyone would like to try for you all? Sorry. The question was not completed and what's the duty answer? Team 4.
Team 4. 1948.
1948. It's the 1972 -5 for Team 4. Two. Poland.
Poland. Next team. Okay, right answer. From which country you are? From which country?
Ferguson.
Mesur. Mesur? Next is the answer? Oh, Mesur. Right answer. Team 2 and Team 3 here will start with objective cricket.
Okay. Second.
Team 3 from Karyakalani Mangalanko.
And now today we have the winners with us. Team 2 from here, Ferguson Zenko, consisting of Maria Pass and Mohan Kahir with 109 points. Is the winner. Team 2. So that wraps up our mind quest today.
और आपकी कॉपीज आपको
Your
एटेंड
copies and your participant certificates will be given to you at the end of this conference. Okay, so please join the class. Thank you very much.
सेकंड वाले की कॉपी नहीं अगर मुझे पता होता कि कौन सी है
Pockets are there.
ओके चॉकलेट की बस है हम देखते हैं
Thank you very much.
Good. Where's chocolate? Yes. PIDC. Right answer.
कराची घुमा वाले हो यार कोई पंजाब से आगे की पिक्चर दो यार
नहीं
मीडियम प्लाजा
Let it be Algundana complex.
इतने सारे आंसर तो एक चॉकलेट किसको दूंगा यार ये मुझे पता है कि ये मोहल्ला पैलेस से चॉकलेट मुझे मिलनी चाहिए
कोई नहीं मिलेगी chocolate.
कैन वी हैव द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर प्लीज
भाई अब
सुबह मस्जिद रासुल मिनास कौन सी जगह अल्फला बैंक
chocolate दे दी. Okay. Next pick. यार पर कोई लेडी आंसर देंगे सर्विस कोड यार लड़कियों ने क्या चीनी दूंगा क्या
बिजनेस मॉडलिंग का तुम्हें क्या लगता है बिजनेस मॉडल वो जो उसको बता सूट बिजनेस पहन के पता नहीं क्या कुछ मेरा जो कॉन्सेप्ट है मैं उस हिसाब से बताऊँ वही बताओगे तुम और नहीं वो ऐसे मॉडल है मतलब उसके ऊपर इन्वायरमेंटल फैक्टर कितने अफेक्ट कर रहे हैं और मतलब उसके ऊपर थिंक डिफरेंट थिंक डन समझो हो गया बस हो गया समझ लो हो गया बिजनेस हो गया पैसा लगा हो गया बिजनेस मॉडल भी दे दिया बिजनेस हो गया
चलिए, इससे कुछ आइडिया होगा कि बिजनेस मॉडल बदल के
क्योंकि मुझे आइडिया हुआ और हमारे ऑडियंस को भी आइडिया हुआ कि बिजनेस मॉडल क्या होता है तो अब हम अपना बिजनेस मॉडल स्टार्ट करते हैं बिजनेस मॉडल सेगमेंट स्टार्ट करते हैं एंड वी हैव our judges here for business model segment. We would like to introduce our honorable judges for business model segment. Our first judge is Professor Dr. Shaila. She is PhD, MBA, MA, MD, and BSc. Dr. Shaila is an inspirational speaker at international and national level. She is international and national trainer, professor, consultant, and researcher.
And we have our second judge, Syed Suman Azmi, a very talented young professional, CFA Level 3 candidate, MSc Investment Management, CS Business School, City University, London, UK, BSc Honours, ACCA from UK, Director Research at Rich, and ACCA lecturer as well. Okay, बड़े अच्छे से जज होने वाले हैं आपके बिजनेस मॉडल। सुबह से टीम्स बिजी हैं मॉडलिंग में।
जो बिजनेस मॉडल की एग्जाम्पल अभी मैंने आपको एक दी वो था तो बहुत अच्छा मॉडल लेकिन इसी तरह का एक सिनेरियो एक लैंडर टेक्नोलॉजीज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड का सिनेरियो पार्टिसिपेंट्स को दिया गया था इन द मॉर्निंग एंड दे वर गिवन अ टाइम स्पैन ऑफ 3 hours टू प्रिपेयर देयर प्रेजेंटेशन ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर सिनेरियो दे हैव प्रिपेयर्ड देयर बिजनेस मॉडल वी विल सी इन अ व्हाइल और बिजनेस मॉडल के रूल्स ये हैं कि देयर आर 5 टीम्स देयर आर 6 टीम्स एक्चुअली एंड 4 contestants in a team. Maximum 2 contestants are allowed to present their business model. So, we have Team A from AF Productions.
Team A consists of
We would like to welcome our Team A from AF Productions on stage, please. Mohsin Abdul Qadir, Hina Akbar, Nasha Amul, Sayyid Mehrun Nisa. Sayyida Mehrun Nisa.
please come on stage.
Team B from ENY. Team B comprises of Rajiv Kumar, Kailash K, Arun Bajaj, Jay Kumar, and we would like to welcome our Team B on the stage. My name is Qasim, representing Pakistan. And with me here is Hassan Aziz, to my left, somewhere experience, and Amar Sheen, one of our presenters, and Zaid Brother, actually. Thank you.
My name is Hassan Imran, I'm representing AF Productions Group. My teammates are Shahbaz Kareem, Abbas Ali Naqvi, and Mohammad Ali. I'm Mohammad Ali Khan, representing AF Productions Company. My team members are Hitesh Kumar, Atif Dhruv, and Arsalan Sheikh. Assalamu alaikum everybody. Thanks for being here. Thanks for the invitation for being here. Thanks for being here.
representing A Ferguson, team A, and my team members are Hina Akbar, Nasha Tendra, and Selina Bankers.
And my team is Mr. Jay Kumar, Kailash Kumar, and Arun Bajaj. We are representing Ernst & Young Photo Staff. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much all the teams. Big round of applause for all the teams. Please have your seats. And representing
Range of products ranging from laptop, fire and burglar alarms, CCTV cameras, smoke detectors, etc. And as far as the software is concerned, the company is not lagging behind. The company offers web designing, software application, and even caters to our daily entertainment need of game development. I think I introduce the company now. Asha will take you through with the business analysis.
when we talk about developing a business plan or a business model for any company, what we need to bring more importance to is just what is going wrong with it right now. What is the current situation? In terms of that, what we did was develop run a SWOT analysis on LTPN to identify exactly where it stands in terms of today. We realized that although it has a diversified product portfolio with competent employees and a rather large balance of reserves, what we have also noticed is that one of its major segments, which contributes to 66.67% of its contribution, is headed by a non-IT specialist. Just because a person has worked for Apple corporate rates does not mean that he has the requisite skills to head and to run a major contributor to one's business. We also realized that the marketing department has only 3 staff members and is largely understaffed. We talk about non-value-added components within the value chain network because we find that we have an agent who, when importing products from LP corporate, LP PLC, has to go through with this agent to get to our warehouse. There is poor cost control, and at one point we also realized the inability of the company to meet its contractual obligations. And we are not diversifying or going into foreign markets. Considering the opportunities that
Portion of the total contribution, and this GTS mainly relates to the IT trading of IT instruments, and GIS measures improvements in the system and system designing of softwares and other system improvements. Now, the major issues faced by the company, it is Nemtar Technologies. The company issued the 5 new entrants. The 5 new entrants, actually the company Nemtar Technologies is facing the issue of 5 new entrants, and that is global market. Global market means the 5 new of the global companies is moved in the Pakistan economy. And being a market leader, the Nemtar Technologies is facing this problem. Inappropriate HR policies. Ladies and gentlemen, actually, Nemtar Technologies has a head of a segment, Mr. Munaf. He is the head of a segment, an IT segment, who was formerly employed in the Apple company as a finance manager. Ladies and gentlemen, I will draw your attention that a finance manager of an Apple company is employed as a head of an IT segment. So it is a severe problem of HR policies. And other issue is the government policies. The government has implemented a tax and system duty of 1%, custom duty 2%, and excise duty that is 6%. So government, due to the increase of government taxes, it has a problem of higher cost as not gaining the profit. The Number third, economic factors. Economic factors is the downfall of the Pakistani economy. The overall demand of the customers is decreasing, and it has affected severely the limited technologies. As the economic factors are severely affected the limited technologies, due to which it is facing the problem of higher admin costs and decreasing in the total revenue of the company. And last is the potential penalty. Actually, the company has made a non-compliance in the 3 ERP implementation contracts, due to which the company has facing 200 only making the websites for other companies. Company Limited can make its own website and can capture a new market for other employees, for other customers, and can be a market leader, can not only maintain its share but can increase, enhance its market. But second is gaming market. There is a vast probability that the gaming market will enter the Pakistan and gain its vast share. So, Limited can invest in these two e-commerce market and gaming market to enhance its market share. Now, strategies to achieve the main objective. The strategies which Limited will follow to achieve the objective, to achieve the milestone by 2015, that is 4 billion revenue. Investment decisions. Company will take strict investment decisions in the gaming market, investment decisions in the e-commerce market, from where it will gain the market share, enhance revenue, gain new customers, gain new stakeholders, increase goodwill, and for that, company has to maintain its strict investment decision. Secondly, the product development. Company has to develop its product not only through general trading but also through the e-commerce. Company can make product development through e-commerce by offering the new products, by offering different design of the products to the general public, so that they can attract to the limited technologies products and gain new revenue, enhance its revenue, and gain new market. Number third is cost-cutting measures. Ladies and gentlemen, company has already facing a severe issues of high cost, admin cost, that is stamp duty, excise duty, and custom duty. So company has to reduce its internal cost, the cost of admin cost, the cost it offers, which are highly unaffordable for the company. Number four is brand management. Company has to maintain its brand. Company has to keep its brand so that the customer should be loyal to the company. Company should maintain its share in the market so that the customer will get a relation with the limited technology. Company has limited technologies has to take decisions so that it could get finance from for earning for getting 4 billion for getting 4 billion milestone by 2015. Company has to make a strict financial decisions. Last but not the least is the risk management